Everyone thinks building faster with Claude Code is about better prompts. It's not. It comes down to 6 power phrases. Phrase 1. Launch sub-agents. This turns one slow Claude session into multiple agents working in parallel. Instead of waiting for one task at a time, you can split research, coding, testing, or review across different agents. Phrase 2. Write me an implementation spec. Before Claude builds anything, get it to map the plan, key decisions, structure, and steps. Less guessing, better output. Phrase 3. Interview me. If you don't know what details Claude needs, let Claude ask you. It pulls out the missing context before the work begins. Phrase 4. Verify before you build. This tells Claude to explain how it will check the work, so it doesn't just say done when the job isn't actually finished. Phrase 5. Based on this conversation, build me a skill. This turns repeatable work into a reusable process, so you don't have to explain the same thing again next time. Phrase 6. Automate this. But this is the dangerous one. If the task needs taste, judgment, brand voice, or human approval, don't fully automate it. So the workflow is simple. Launch sub-agents, create the spec, let Claude interview you, verify before building, turn repeatable work into a skill, then automate only what makes sense. That's the difference between prompting AI and actually building with AI.